Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the project file with the exact resolution and frame rate you need. This prevents scaling artifacts later. Import a clean Fingerprint PNG or a high-resolution scan so the ridges hold up when animated. Once done, place the fingerprint on its own layer with a transparent background and clear naming. This makes masking and effects predictable. Make sure to save a versioned copy before proceeding so you can revert if an experimental step alters detail you want to preserve. Now you create motion from texture. Generate a displacement map that follows the ridge flow and animate its intensity to mimic scan movement. This yields natural deformation without redrawing. Apply a bump or normal map and tether a soft directional light to the map so highlights shift with the animation, which creates convincing depth. Also animate layer opacity or a transform scale for a subtle pulse or scan sweep. Make sure to preview at full resolution to confirm the effects hold up visually. To finish, export the animation in your target format. Use H.264 for sharing or a lossless PNG sequence for compositing. Render a short test clip at full resolution to inspect for compression artifacts or aliasing. If you notice jagged motion or jitter, smooth keyframes, reduce sudden displacement jumps, or increase motion blur slightly to hide micro jitters. One key troubleshooting tip: if ridges look smeared after export, re-render with higher bitrate or export a PNG sequence and recompress to preserve the fine ridge detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.